Hello, my name is Justin Rasky, Marketing Manager for Utility Tractors for New Holland, North America. Today I'd like to talk to you about the new WORKMASTER 55, 65, and 75 series tractors. Here today we have the WORKMASTER 75 cab. There are three things you really need to know about this tractor: visibility, comfort, and simplicity, all at a low cost of ownership. When I talk visibility, you can see we have a 4-post cab, has lots of glass around, 316 degrees of visibility. We have an optional visibility panel you can add to see the full range of the loader. When I talk comfort, we come standard with an air suspension seat, and we also have an instructor seat as standard equipment as well. Simplicity, this tractor comes standard. Cab, 4-wheel drive, 12x12 power shuttle with loader, or for the WORKMASTER 75, ROPS, 4-wheel drive, 12x12 power shuttle with a loader. All standard equipment, very simple, very common. On top of the fact that the engine emissions is a simple DOC only emission system, which does not require regeneration, it's hands-free. What does that mean? It also means low cost, no diesel particulate filter to replace. In addition to that, to help with the low cost of ownership, we have a 600-hour engine service interval that'll reduce the amount of times you need to service the engine. Again, like I said, three things you need to know: visibility, comfort, and simplicity at a low cost of ownership. Thank you.